Howdy, welcome back to another episode of Tech Guides TV. Today we'll be solving Leetcode 1874, minimize product sum of two arrays. It's a medium difficulty question and part of Leetcode Premium. If you haven't tried Leetcode Premium, I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at the problem. The product sum of two equal length arrays A and B is equal to the sum of A of I times B of I for all I greater than or equal to 0 less than A dot length, or in other words, 0 indexed. For example, if A equals an array with values 1, 2, 3, and 4, and B equals an array with values 5, 2, 3, and 1, the product sum would be 1 times 5 plus 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 1, or in other words, 22. But the problem asks for the minimum product sum. So given two arrays nums1 and nums2 of length n, return the minimum product sum. You're allowed to rearrange the order of the elements in nums1. So we're going to rearrange nums1, multiply at the same index, take the sum, and we're looking for the min. Hopefully that makes sense. Seems a bit tricky, so that's probably why it's a medium difficulty question. In example 1, we see we have two arrays, one with values 5, 3, 4, and 2, and the second one with 4, 2, 2, and 5. We can rearrange the first array, but not the second one. And it looks like the minimum product sum is 40. So if we rearrange nums1 to be 3, 5, 4, 2, and then we take the product sum, we'll get 40, the minimum. And in example 2, if nums1 is 2, 1, 4, 5, 7, and nums2 is 3, 2, 4, 8, 6, the minimum product sum is going to be 65. We'd have to rearrange 2, 1, 4, 5, 7 to be 5, 7, 4, 1, 2. Take the product sum and we'll get 65. Real quick, let's take a look at the constraints. Nums1 dot length is equal to n, which is equal to nums2 dot length. N is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 10 to the 5th power, right? No huge arrays. Okay. And nums1 at index I is greater than or equal to 1. Nums2 at index I is less than or equal to 100. Okay, so nothing more than 100. You guys can give it a try, and then I'll show you the solution in TypeScript. Hey, welcome back. Here's the solution in TypeScript. Min product sum takes in the two arrays, and then it uses the sort function on each array. The sort function gets an arrow function as its argument. Nums1 is sorted in that way, A minus B. Nums2 is sorted B minus A. Okay, now we have the two arrays with the first one sorted, the second one not sorted. And answers the sum, so the minimum sum. And we're going to update it with nums1 at index I times nums2 at index I. All right, and then we increment the index, keep adding the value to ants in the for loop until we get the min product sum. Let's see if it passes the acceptance criteria, and it does. The expected output 40 is what we see for nums1 and nums2. All right, guys. Well, hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and tune in again tomorrow for another one.